Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand, a fair price. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.